Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am so excited that you are here. If you are returning to my channel, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If I'm looking a little one-dimensional, that's because I have only done my base foundation and eyeshadow because something came in the mail yesterday and you know I had to share it with you guys, my awesome Lash family. But before we jump into what that may be, let me give you a little hint. Oh, that's a big box. The day is, what are you looking forward to this weekend? Because I can't hide it, you guys. I'm super excited for this weekend because my best friend is coming to town. She's gonna stay with me for a long weekend. I am beyond thrilled. We don't get to see each other very often because we don't live in the same city. I just can't wait to catch up with her. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys are looking forward to this weekend. This video is gonna be about this gigantic box I got in the mail. It's huge and it's Boxycharm. Actually, one second. It's BoxyLuxe. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription that is $21 a month, and you get 5 to 6 full-size items where they just started this new program called BoxyLuxe, which is 11 full-size items for basically $50. The thing with BoxyLuxe is it is $49.99, basically $50 every 3 months. If you want to see what I got and my thoughts, just keep watching. First of all, I will tell you guys I had a hard time getting BoxyLuxe. I'm actually shocked and thrilled that I got it this weekend because if you tried to sign up for BoxyLuxe, you already know and you might have heard the website kept crashing. And I got on late because I didn't realize it was Eastern time. I jumped on at 9 thinking I was going to be first in line, not really, but I thought I was going to be like right on time. And I realized, oh my gosh, it launched an hour ago. I thought, oh, there's no way I'm getting it. And plus the website kept crashing. Like I couldn't get to the final step in the sign up. So I was like, oh, this is over. I was super cranky because we had stayed up really late the night before. And I was like, I should have just slept in instead of getting up early to get this box. And I got this thing saying you're waitlisted, and the way I read it, I thought I'm not getting anything until December. Like I thought maybe for the next one coming, because it's every 3 months. So I thought there's no way I'm getting it, and then it arrived at my doorstep. And I was thrilled because there were some items in here that I saw sneak peeks of that I really wanted. You do get a really large info card. Okay, so I'm gonna dive into the first thing on here, and there is a whole bunch of stuff in here. So, and you guys, you might want to just hang around because you know I'm doing a giveaway. I do a giveaway almost every month when it comes to Boxycharm. This month will be no different. In fact, it's going to be even bigger and bolder to go along with the boldness and bigness of the subscription. The first thing it talks about is this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. This comes in at $45. I am going to try it out. I'm not going to bore you with all the details, but it is a bronzing and highlighting palette that features 2 mattes and 2 shimmering bronze powders. Now these are thinner slots, cubbies, I don't know what you want to call it. So I'm going to go in with this Luxie Duo Fiber Powder Brush so I can get in there because I need some life to this canvas right now. This card is so big it's kind of in the way. I'm going to go into Angle, which looks like a matte, dusting it off because it could be pretty pigmented. Okay, maybe don't dust it off so much. Oh. There we go. Finally, I just can't stand how I look on camera without any like bronzer or contour. I'm really more into the contour / bronzer application, one that can do both. Even though I'm all about the glam life, I will say I'm kind of a basic biatch. You know, it's like I love glam. Like I definitely do more than a lot of people do each day, but at the same time I'm like I like to save time. I like to skip some steps, and the contouring / bronzing lets me do that. It's blending out super nicely. It's not too pigmented, which is actually a good thing. Some can be so pigmented that it's totally overwhelming and it's like, I went too far. We've all been there. I know you've been there. You guys, I'm thinking about joining Planet Fitness. What do you think? For $10 a month? Do you like it? If you have a membership, do you like it? Okay, so that went really, really well. This crown color is very dark and has some shimmer in there. I'm going to be nervous on my skin tone to dive into that, but I like the array of color ranges in here, so a lot of different people can use this palette. I am going to pick up just a little bit of the lighter one called Enhance, and I just want to see how this works. I went a little extra bright under the eyes today. And then, so far, this is blending out really nice. Very impressed, very excited I got it in here. I mean, this palette is $45 and the box was $49.99. So far, off to an excellent start. I did not get a blush in here, so I am going to go in with my Milani blush and pick up the next item that I could use right now. And that is this brush here. It's actually for foundation, and I wasn't thinking I should have filmed doing my foundation, but oh well, we'll make it work. This is by Luxe, but look at how high-end this brush looks. Let's see what the price tag is, and it is not cheap. It's not cheap. $38. To be honest, I would never spend that much on brushes. I kind of go cheaper on the brushes so I can spend more on the makeup, like that's how my mind works. But it looks super nice, and I actually really like that little curve here so the finger fits right in there. That is nice. It is $38, and it's really a foundation brush, but I'm going to use it for blush. When it comes to makeup, you make your own rules. It actually feels extremely nice. And it actually works really well for blush. Okay, this is a nice brush. I am impressed. If I didn't set a brush budget, as in try to cut some corners here and there, I'm not gonna lie, I would want to check out more of these because it feels extremely nice. This is the Galactic Skin Glow Duo. I have used Galactic products before through my subscriptions, and this comes in at $26, and it is a duo highlighter. I really like the packaging. Very nice, very pretty. I will say these look beautiful. Ooh, they're a cream. That freaks me out because I don't do cream. It is a cream. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender that I was using to get ready. I'm kind of nervous now because I have oily skin and I don't usually do cream highlighters. Ooh. It's a very natural glow. If you like very natural glows, you don't want to like be beaming when you're going to work or going to school, this would definitely work. Is it my cup of tea? Not really. If you have this palette from a previous subscription, Vintage Cosmetics in Rose Quartz and Chocolate Diamond, it reminds me so much of that, but I much prefer this. I'm going to dab this over top to see how you compare powder and the cream. Like, the tone is so similar. It's even got the pink and the bronze color, and it does pair nicely under powder. That's how I would use it because, like I said, I don't do cream highlighters very often. So the next thing is probably one thing that I was most excited for because this is something I've been eyeballing at Sephora, but I never worked up the courage to purchase, I can't talk, because I bought the Fenty Beauty Body Lava and it wasn't what I expected. But I feel like this is going to be more what I expected. This is by Sol De Janeiro, which I'm a mega fan of their product. And this is the Impanema Sunset Glow Oil, $35. I wish it came with a pump. I'm sure you've heard that from other people. It is just a pour-out container. So I'm going to try to be very cautious because I'm just swatching it. And I don't need a lot. Well, I'm going to just take what's on the cap. It smells so good. It smells like their Boom Boom or Bum Bum cream, but maybe a little bit better. They made two different colors, This is kind of the lighter one. Oh, that feels not. Oh, okay. Hello, beautiful skin. Hi there. I love it. I love it already. It feels so nice. It really rubs in. My problem with the Fenty Beauty, you guys, it's so sticky and it stays sticky. It's pretty, but it stays real sticky, and it isn't very transfer resistant in my opinion. But look at how that one buffed out. Look how radiant my hand looks, and then just how healthy my skin looks. I mean, that looks so healthy. It doesn't look glittery, it doesn't look greasy, it just looks so healthy. That looks so nice. Okay, that's 2 thumbs up. Definitely like that. This is one I would consider repurchasing when I run out because I'm very impressed. Fenty Beauty, not the case. Alright, Boxycharm, way to break the mold once again. This Juice Beauty Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, $80. Hold on. Brace yourself for that. Let me say it again. $80. So very excited to have received this. Can't wait to try it out because I'm forcing myself to get back into skincare with the move and everything. I just put that on the back burner and it's time to hop back into it and take care of my face. So the next thing that I want to pull out is the Death Valley Dry Shampoo. You can never have too much dry shampoo. Never heard of this company before. This comes in at $17, and this looks like a travel size to me. I would be surprised if this is full size. Maybe it is. Add instant volume and thickness to your hair on the go with the new R&Co travel size dry shampoo. Definitely going to use this. I'm going to keep it under my vanity. Oh, we're taking a trip. I'll throw it in my travel bag because I'm obsessed with dry shampoo, especially when traveling, because you don't always have time to style your hair multiple days in a row. The other thing I'm really excited for that I will definitely use is a full-size Smashbox Primer Water. This is the one co-created by Nicole Concilio. Congrats to her, that is awesome. Repping the YouTube community. This is $32. I love the Smashbox Primer Water. I have a travel size I'm using right now. It's just so easy and great to use when you want to throw on some quick primer and be out the door. So, my camera overheated, I popped on some lip stain, and I forgot to mention to you guys this super cute headband I'm wearing was from the box. It's $4.99, Vintage Cosmetics, and I'm totally obsessed with it. Okay guys, so let's dive into what I'm giving away. One of my awesome subscribers. I love giving back to you guys. The rules are the same as usual, and I'll have them down below in the description box. First of all, you have to be subscribed to my channel because, hello, the Lash Family is awesome, and you know you want to be a part of this, obviously. And then the second rule is that you have to be 18 years old and a USA resident. I just can't do international shipping at this point in my channel. Fingers crossed for the future. The third thing is that you have to comment down below saying I love my Lash Family. So yeah, now that we're past that boring part, the unexciting part, let's get to the good stuff. I am going to give away this super cute tote bag that says Totes a Charmer from Boxycharm. So cute, and the perfect addition to these next items that are going in the giveaway, which are an entire eyeshadow palette by Pretty Vulgar, and it is their Nightingale eyeshadow palette, which looks absolutely beautiful. Look at these colors. They are so pretty and perfect for this upcoming fall season, perfect for the everyday look, perfect for the smoky eye. Someone is going to love using this. You may need something to help you put on those eyeshadows. Here is a trio of eyeshadow brushes by Alamar Cosmetics, which will be the perfect little addition to this eyeshadow palette. Last thing I'm going to do in the giveaway is the Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick Semi-Matte in Rebel Raisin. I feel like the eyeshadow palette and this lipstick together are going to be the perfect fall, deep dark, smoky, sexy look. I am very excited to give back to my Lash Family. I love doing these little giveaways every month. Make sure you enter down below because you know you want to get in on this. I feel like this might be one of the best giveaways I've done during a Boxycharm month giveaway because these items rock. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love, love, love for you to be part of the Lash family. You guys, I have some of the most awesome subscribers. You want to be a part of the positivity train. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, both places. What's the last step here? What do I... Lost my train of thought. And there goes my dad, flushing the toilet. Great timing, Dad. Before I forget to take that off before I go to work. The last thing I want to leave you guys with is to please remember to try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.